Oh? What is this? Ooh. Well, good morning, everybody. As you can see, I'm back on the bike. Woohoo! Yay! No more Mr. Grumpy Pants. Well, hopefully. Yep. Well, this is actually my third ride back on the bike. But I've got some new equipment that I've been attempting to figure out how to use. Oh, mainly my audio recorder. I got a new Tascam DR07X digital recorder, and it's got a lot more features than I'm used to. So the last two attempted vlogs have not gone very well in the audio department. Well, first, this thing has like a regular limiter function, and peak reduction, and then auto adjustment, I guess it's called. But yeah, as I say, haven't had very good experience yet setting levels with this thing. My first attempt with the limiter, thought I had it set in the driveway before I left, and then when I got back to listening, it was way too high and distorted beyond all recognition. Sounded like some satanic recording. Not very pleasant to listen to. Yeah, and then yesterday, I guess there's a little feature that has auto record, and you set it at a given level. Apparently I had that enabled, so a lot of what I was saying didn't get recorded yesterday because it was relying on the input level. I was like, well, ain't that just peachy? Disabled that feature today, and I'm gonna give it another attempt. Hopefully I get everything this time. Technology. It's both a curse and a blessing at times. Oh yeah, and it's also got a low cut feature for removing excess bass from the ambient surroundings. According to the manual, it's like remove excess air conditioner noise, but you know, it's just cut out the low frequencies, which is good because that's tends to be one of the more main sources of audio muddiness when you're talking inside of a helmet. You get that nice bass resonance. Apparently my cell phone alarm is going off. Oh yay! That alarm is going to drive me absolutely nuts. I mean, really, that's going to just drive me batty. There we go. That's better. Much better. Zipper. Alright. Onward. Onward to worky work. Yeah. Ooh, what's... Something going on down there. Not sure what. Something. There's a lot of flashy lights. A lot of them. This is a big city. Anything can happen. It's a little breezy down below. Whew. Maybe I should have put that liner in. Yikes. Ah. Yay. Ah, nice. I can relax my hand a little bit. I know, it's only been a short distance, but I'm not quite used to riding yet again. I gotta work up those muscles I haven't used for over a year. Yeah, I'll get used to it. Weather's supposed to be very nice this entire week, so I'm gonna take every chance I can to get out on the bike every day. I am rather excited about this riding season. I'm gonna get out and go places. Ooh, man, that dude's smoky. Yeah. My boss told me about this place over in Indiana. It's kind of like a smaller version of Gatlinburg, and then it's right next to a national park area. So I'm like, sounds intriguing. But I cannot for the life of me remember the name of the city. But I had at one point, if it's the same area I'm thinking about, I was planning on setting up a group ride over in that area. It's like at the southern part of the state. There's at least according to the Garmin Maps Basecamp application on my computer, there are some decently curvy roads around there. And satellite imagery showed decent pavement, so I'm like, maybe this will be a good place to host a ride. I may not get to it this year, but if I do, then it might be, I don't know, probably August or September. Well, maybe late September, where it's a little cooler. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to do it. Well, for one, planning a ride takes a lot of research into the area you're looking at. You gotta look for, all the places to stay, restaurants, fuel stops. And then once you get a route planned, you actually got to go scout it beforehand to make sure that there aren't any road closures, no excess gravel. I know the one year I hosted a ride in Hocking Hills, myself and another scooter rider. The route we were taking had a lot of gravel on it. We actually went up. Yeah, it was kind of hilarious. We spent the weekend actually sweeping off the gravel on the roadways. That was different. Yeah, all 50 miles of roadways, any big collections of gravel that we saw from the heavy rains that got washed out. Yeah, that was fun. But in the end, the weather held and didn't spread any more from the hillsides on the road, so it was an effort worthwhile to keep everyone safe. But I tell you, running around with a push broom attached to your scooter was looked a little weird. What's this guy doing? Really, you're gonna try and pass me at 70? Seriously? Yeah, sure. I got news for you. You'll have keep up with me, buddy. Yeah, I'm being bad. I'm so speeding. I really shouldn't, but you know, I'm a little excited, so I want to go wing. See, my dash indicators are actually working normally for a change. Those things are kind of hit and miss. I could never figure that out, you know, since the day I installed them. Sometimes they work, other times they don't. I'm not entirely sure if it's a current draw issue or what. You know, either that or I just blame it on, you know, cheap manufacturing practices for mass-produced LED lamps. I think that's more likely the reason. Yeah, whatever. As long as I remember that my turn signal's on and not leave it on like some noob, I'll be alright. I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot of noobish things as I sort of reacquaint myself with the practices of riding. Yeah. I think this evening though I gotta run to Micro Center, get myself a SSD for a little 3D scanning computer I'm setting up. And then maybe I'll go down to the local hackerspace, Hive 13 downtown, for their weekly Tuesday meetings. Haven't been down there in a while either. Maybe drop by the Comment on the way. It's yeah, like a little, I don't know if you'd call it like a bar or just an eatery. Kind of a little hole in the wall place on Hamilton. A lot of the you find a lot of older generation bikes there, and not usually a lot of Japanese imports, but a lot of British bikes there. It's got an interesting mix. Certainly a welcome sight compared to the usual Harley crowd. Yeah, fun stuff. Well, I'm just about at work again, so I'll likely catch y'all later today. Once I'm off work, running around. But until then, I'll see you later.